I recently went to a Vietnamese restaurant and we had the most incredible banquet. And the most delicious dish on the menu was quite surprising. It was a tomato salad, not like any other tomato salad I've had. It had prawns through it with a Nuoc mum sauce. There's something about sweet tomatoes along with a sweet, sour, spicy sauce that just works so well together. So I'm going to try and replicate it for you today. Now we'll start with the Nuoc mum. Now Nuoc mum sauce is so classic in all types of Vietnamese dishes. You don't just have it to dip spring rolls in, it's great for salad dressings, it's fantastic with grilled meats. So a basic Nuoc mum sauce has some boiling water, just a splash, along with some caster sugar. I add the boiling water with the caster sugar just to help it dissolve faster. Give that a bit of a stir. And then the fish sauce, the all-important fish sauce. Now you don't want to overdo the fish sauce. You just want it to balance with everything. You don't want it to be fishy, you don't want it to be too sour, you don't want it to be too salty. They all need to work in harmony together. So we'll mix that together. And then lime juice. I like lots of lime juice for this. And I'll use my nifty juicer to get as much of that juice out. Okay, we'll start with half. I'm going to give that another mix. And then chilli. Now I've got a long chilli here. It's not as spicy. If you want a bit more of a hit to this, then by all means use a little red bird's eye chilli. I'm just going to cut these into thin rounds. I am going to leave the seeds in this one, however, because all the heat comes from the seeds. So I just want a little bit of a kick. Okay, in that goes. And you could make this ahead of time. In fact, it tastes better if you make it ahead of time. You can add garlic to this too. All right, time to have just a little taste to balance it out. Oh, that's perfect. That zing on the side of the tongue, that's what you're after. Fantastic, happy with that. We'll pop that to the side. Now for the salad. So in a bowl, I'm going to add some tomatoes. Have a look at these. Aren't they stunning? All the different colours. We've got these purple ones. I'm just going to cut into these just to show you how pretty they are. Look at that. Those gorgeous colours. So for this, I want to cut them in half. They are a pop of sweetness. And you kind of want that with this salty, sour, sweet sauce. It just works so nicely together. They're going to absorb all the flavours of the dressing. This is the main ingredient in it, so we want lots of these gorgeous little tomatoes. And I've also got some radish. I love radish in this, really crunchy. Texture is key to a salad, so crunchy things like radish, even cucumber will work a treat for this salad. Right, time for the prawns. I've got some cooked Australian prawns. I've taken all the shells off and deveined it. And we just want to cut it into small chunks, roughly the same size as the tomatoes and the radish. You could also use crab for this dish if you want to make it extra special. The sweetness of the crab will go so nicely with it. Or you could just leave it completely vegetarian. But I think it's that combination of the beautiful seafood with the tomatoes that makes it quite unique. Okay. I have some coriander. You could also use some Vietnamese mint, Thai basil. Any of those Asian style herbs work really well. In fact, you can mix them up if you like. I'll pick some of it in here and we'll also reserve a little bit more of this coriander for the top. We want to almost use the coriander leaf as a lettuce leaf to go with this, so you can be quite generous with it. Great. Okay. Talking about crunch before, there's some more crunchy elements, some toasted peanuts. I'm going to roughly chop them. We're going to add some to the salad and the rest will be the garnish. So we'll add about half of this, in it goes. So time to dress with our Nuoc mum. We'll just add that over. Don't add all of it. Always best with a salad to add half, mix it, and then if it needs some more, you can always add some more later. So we'll toss that together. Yep, I think we can add a little bit more. And then one last toss. Okay, this is done. Let's plate this up. Just grab a spoon and just a nice big mound of this in the middle. I mean, all the work is done here with beautiful, bright, happy vegetables like those tomatoes, the radish, and the pink from the gorgeous prawns. Final little touch of those peanuts and lots of crispy fried shallots over the top. Just let them cascade down. One last sprig of coriander over the top. Now that is not your average tomato salad. I love this. It's full of bright, bold flavors. Give that one a try.